Okay, the next thing I'm going to check is going to be the pressure switch. Now the pressure switch in this thing is right there. Now you can see it right here. And we're going to check this thing. They do have a safety in the integrated furnace controller, IFC, that determines whether this thing is good or not. However, we'll check it while we're here, and I'll show you how you do that. What this needs to do is see a vacuum from this fan. This fan has to pull a vacuum. So I've got a hose running here from the back of that pressure switch, and it goes up to the fan here. So if I pull that off, I'm going to try to light this thing off again. Okay, the inducers come on, but the pressure switch has not made. Now the integrated furnace control is going to figure this out. It can't go any farther if the inducer does not show enough vacuum. It has to show whatever this pressure switch is set for. And if it doesn't show that, it's not even going to try. Okay, it's going to give it anywhere from 40 or 50 seconds up to 3 or 4 minutes to make that pressure switch, depending on the appliance. And if it does not make that pressure switch, it's going to go ahead and shut the unit down. And it'll try again, sometimes an hour, sometimes they'll do it 10 minutes, they'll try again. And we'll look at the light here. And I've taken the cover off, the bottom cover, and I want you to note there's a little light down there, and it's blinking a code. Normally it just blinks on and off, but it's blinking a code now. And it's 2 flashes, which means pressure switch problem. Does not necessarily mean the pressure switch is broke, could be the inducer doesn't start. Whatever it is, it's not seeing pressure within the time period it's supposed to. So that safety works. It is safetied out as it should. Now, one of the things that gets us service guys in trouble all the time, we don't put things back as well as we should. Okay, let's put this back up here and make sure it is hooked up properly. And in the next video, we're going to go ahead and check the limit switches, and I'll show you how that's done.